Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
असोसिएटेड चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्री इंडियान पणजे एग्रीकल्चर कॉन्क्लेव आयोजीत केल्लो. ह्या कॉन्क्लेवा वेळार उद्योग वेव्हार मंत्री माविन गुदिनो गोंयाक एग्रीकल्चराच्या क्षेत्रांत सस्टेनेबल करपा विशीं उलयलो.
You don't encourage agriculture, if you do not innovate, if you don't get technology in the farming sector in a manner that it is not only sustainable but quite profitable as to other services, as to other jobs available, how will you have agriculture actually? How many of youngsters go down in the field? You have to act as a catalyst along with the government in getting more and more people into agriculture, making it worthwhile to contribute to this particular sector, which is the primary sector in Goa. They prefer selling their property to builders. Today we are known as a green state. People love to see the greenery. Slowly but steadily, today you see that it is slightly decreasing. If the present trend continues, I am afraid agriculture will become even lesser. Goa was a place where things used to travel by word of mouth. Let it travel by various means. That yes, we are going to make Goa greener. Let it be linked to tourism as well.
Agriculture should be built into an industry by having a good processing unit everywhere.